Hungary is often overlooked in European travel plans. But what if we told you it's hiding some of the wildest traditions, bizarre rules, and jaw-dropping facts in the world? From spa chess matches to sacred numbers, you're about to discover a side of Hungary you never imagined. Welcome to GlobeShock, where the world gets weird, one country at a time. Number 10, the language that baffles everyone. Hungarian isn't even close to Germanic or Slavic languages. It belongs to the Finno-Ugric family, with its closest cousins being Finnish and Estonian. That means when you hear Hungarian, you're not just hearing a different language, you're hearing an entirely different linguistic universe. Number 9, spas with a twist. Hungary has more than 1,300 thermal springs, and over 120 of them bubble beneath Budapest. But it's not just soaking. Locals play chess in the steaming pools and even host late-night spa parties with DJs. It's health, history, and hedonism all rolled into one hot bath. Number 8, a bridge with a tongue-twisting tale. The iconic chain bridge in Budapest is guarded by stone lions. For decades, people believed these lions had no tongues. The legend even says the architect jumped into the Danube from shame. The truth? The lions have tongues, they're just hard to spot unless you climb up close. Number 7, a national number obsession. In Hungary, the number 96 is sacred. Budapest buildings can't exceed 96 meters. National events start at 19 Wall to honor 896 AD, Hungary's founding year. And even the national anthem must be performed in no more than 96 seconds. It's not just tradition, it's national identity by the numbers. Number 6, beautiful youth with weird habits. Hungarian youth have some of the most unusual New Year's traditions. On December 31st, girls and boys eat lentil soup for wealth, but refuse to do laundry or take out the trash, afraid they'll wash away their luck. They also avoid poultry. Birds might fly their fortune away. Want more wild youth habits around the world? Check out our sister channel, Beautiful Youth Planet, where we uncover real habits of young people across every country. Number 5, the city of caves. Did you know Budapest sits on a massive underground cave system? Carved by thermal waters over millions of years, some of these caves are large enough to walk through, and others are used for diving. It's like a hidden, watery world beneath the city you never knew existed. Number 4, a desert in Hungary. Yes, Hungary has its own mini-desert. The Kiskunzsag National Park features sand dunes, arid plains, and bizarre mirage-like effects. It feels like you've teleported to North Africa, but you're still in Central Europe. Number 3, the lake that changes color. Lake Heves is the largest thermal lake in the world that's suitable for swimming. Its waters constantly change color based on algae, minerals, and temperature shifts, from vibrant turquoise to deep green. Locals swear by its healing powers. It's like swimming in nature's own magical potion. Number 2, Hungary's paprika obsession. Paprika isn't just a spice in Hungary, it's practically a national treasure. There are 8 different grades, ranging from sweet to fiery. It's in everything: stews, soups, sausages, even desserts. And yes, there's an entire paprika museum in Kalocsa. Number 1, the thermal spa that hosts Raves. At the famous Széchenyi bath, it's not uncommon to find young Hungarians partying in swimsuits as DJs blast electronic music. It's the only place where you can soak in 100-degree water while fist-pumping under a strobe light. Hungary truly takes party culture to a whole new level. Want to witness Hungary's unbelievable traditions for yourself? Our travel agency partners can help you book unforgettable journeys, from underground cave dives to legendary bridges and paprika festivals. Don't forget to subscribe to GlobeShock for more insane facts from every corner of the world. And if you're into youth culture and habits, hop over to Beautiful Youth Planet, the wild truth about young people worldwide. Drop a like, leave us a comment with your favorite Hungarian shocker, and share this with someone planning a trip to Europe. May your travels be full of stories and your days filled with curiosity.